My company, Pentavision, has been in this manufacturing line of furniture from 1997. We manufacture a range of office furniture, educational furniture and modular kitchens. We have done about 5,000 projects so far. The particle board industry has evolved very substantially from very, I would say, inferior products in the beginning to technologically very advanced products right now. Associate especially is one of the first companies in India to come out with this size of a project with a technology which is absolutely the latest in terms of Conti roll from Diefenbacher. The range of grades, sizes and finishes which this plant can offer, no other company in India has been able to come to that level.
Space Management Systems is one of the fastest growing modular manufacturing companies in India. We are just a 3-year-old company having done close to about 40,000 workstations, catering to offices and school furniture. We've been partnered with Associate Deco for the last 2 years. We have had a fantastic relationship with them. The product quality and the deliveries have always been excellent. Concept called a Conti panel press, due to which the density of the board is much larger than compared to any other board manufacturers in India. Advantage of using a Conti press board is the fastening of the tabletops or the boards is far more superior than compared to any other board manufacturers in India. They being green certified, all their boards are highly low emission boards.
Federlite has been in the office furniture industry for over 45 years now. We presently manufacture about 6,000 workstations and 30,000 chairs. We have a long association with Associate and are happy that they have started their plant in Bangalore. We used to import particle board earlier, but now from their modern plant, we are pleased to get from them various colors and variety of boards that suit our needs. This helps us with our import substitution. This not only helps us in controlling our inventory and just-in-time orders, but also cash flows benefit due to the plant being as closely located to it as we are. They produce E1 emission boards, which is a requirement for the new LEED buildings that we presently have in Bangalore. It's good to have an associate like Associate to partner with.
Company Basvanal Industries started in the year 2007. Clients are educational institutions. They are all quality conscious people and they want the best material all the time. I visited their factory and I saw the process. I am very much satisfied with the exterior grade quality of the Associate Decor. Delivery schedule is, we are very much satisfied.
My name is Anand Joseph. I'm Managing Director of Talent Modular Office Furniture System Private Limited. We are a 16-year-old company, started mainly into manufacturing of modular furnitures for office and also the home segment, where we do about 5,000 to 6,000 workstations a month. And we also have our home segment which cater to about 20 to 35 kitchens a month. Associate Decor have this Diefenbacher Conti press, panel press, which is one of the top of the line particle board making machine. They have a wide range of sizes available and the service is good. They give a very good range of laminates for the home segment, especially for the kitchens and thing which the high gloss MR grade is also good quality laminate which is equivalent to any international brand. They helped us in manufacturing the E0 board as per the international standard of this low emission formaldehyde low emission grade, which they in the record time they manufactured for us and we have already executed. We are happy to be partnered with Associate Decor.
Hi, I am Madhusudan Mazu, MD and CEO of Icon Syntex India Private Limited. Last 19 years we are doing this same interior field. Basically we are doing for domestics, modular kitchens, wardrobes, TV units and crockery units, etc. And our specialization is we only design and we only executing everything. That is called turnkey basis. We are using much of particle boards since last 19 years. Now we are doing last 1.5 year we are using associate particle boards, because screw holding and the density of the board and lamination quality and overall the board, everything this is the best quality product. Even the deliver the goods also, they are whatever the promised time they will deliver the goods. And even the stocking of the material with the distributor, whenever I need, suppose they maintain lot of colors in Hyderabad only, very good marketing team they have. Even suppose any technical doubts are there, they will immediately confirm with the factory and immediately they are responding. Technology wise, their machinery also, it's very good, because I seen personally factory, and the lamination division, the hot press division, and even the fibers division, whatever they are using, the resins and everything, 100% international standards. First Indian particle board company having the emission free technology. There is no seasonal change, because they are using the raw materials is the best raw materials, even no sagging and no bending.
I am Quresh T. Chhas, Managing Director of Spice Kitchen Concepts Private Limited. We are in this line since more than a decade. We are into interiors of modular kitchens, specialized in wardrobes and other interior furnitures. We have been using plywood and wood previously. Slowly, as the time changed, we have shifted to a 21st century product. Many people doesn't have a latest technology and latest machines. What we have found in Associate Decor Limited, they have the most modern kind of machineries that we have seen till now in India. They are pioneer in exterior grade particle board. The density is very good, is extremely tensile. It is perfect for heavy duty kitchens. The wide range in size and thickness gives us great flexibility and helps us avoid wastage. We rely on the best, and that's why we choose Associate Decor Limited.